I wonder what should we watch on TV today? Oh, do you want to watch our show? Yeah? Hey, what's going on? The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Kansas State Emergency Management. At around 4:30 p.m., a magnitude 5.4 earthquake will strike Plain City. Get underneath a table, a bed, or other pieces of sturdy furniture. Carry a battery-powered radio for more information. Oh no! There's an earthquake coming! Quick! We need to take cover! I'll take cover on this side. Okay, and me and Gecko will take cover on these other sides. Now we just have to wait. Oh my goodness, there's an earthquake happening! Oh my god, I need to take cover quickly! Oh, is this building going to fall on me? Oh! Oh my god, there's an earthquake happening! I need to take cover. Oh my god, that building is about to fall. Oh no, it's falling off! Looks like I'm the survivor. Looks like I survived the earthquake. Oh my god. What is happening? The earthquake's getting bigger and bigger. Oh my gosh. Arr. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, don't tell me that building's going to fall. And it's gonna fall! And oh my god, that building. Oh god! Whew! The earthquake is finally over. Let's go see the city. Hold up, guys. No way! Not again! What happened? The city got completely destroyed. Well, the buildings that are not damaged, of course. Even our headquarters isn't damaged, but some things inside of it did shake a little. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. We'll have to hire workers for this.